In this very quick and simple tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add a back to the top button on Wix. So what you need to do is first go to wix.com, and then once you're in My Sites, once you've logged in, go to your website that you want to add the button to. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll down to the bottom of the page, or near the bottom of the page, because obviously we want a back to top button which is going to be near the bottom. So let's say we're going to put it here. So now if we go to add elements on the left, we can now go ahead and click on button. Now once you're on button, you can obviously use any of these buttons, but I like to use this one here, which is an upwards arrow, or you can use back to top, or you can use any of them, but I like this one. So I'm going to click on it, and that's going to add it here. Now we can move where we want this to be. So let's say we want to add it here. Now all you have to do to get this button to go to the top is you just click on it, you then go to link, and then here where it says top/bottom of page, click on that. We want it to go to the top, so keep it on top, then click done. Now if we preview this, it should be working. So here is our website. Let's scroll down. If we click this, it now takes us to the top. So that's how you can do it. I hope that helped you out.